Pour your potatoes straight into your air fryer and start covering those in oil. Today I'm showing you how to make the ultimate French fries right in your air fryer. Just taking those potatoes that I've peeled and cut into French fry shape straight into the air fryer, and then look at that. You want to just cover them in oil. Now, this is going to use a lot less oil than if you were deep frying it because you just need to use enough oil to cover them. So look, those are nicely covered in oil. Just get those in there. Oil goes in. I'm using some canola oil. Then take this. This goes straight into the air fryer. Oh my God, my hands are so slippery. Turn it on. We're going to air fry this. You want to air fry at a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a good temp. We're going to start air frying that. Now, I'm going to show you how you make another type of French fry. While those fries cook, I'm going to take over here, I have some russet potatoes. Oh God, and my hands are so oily that I'm going to like slip. But just take these. If you get nice and close, you can see all you need to do is just peel your potatoes. I recommend using russets for this. You can of course use what you got. It'll still be delicious, but you know russets are a classic. They're nice and long. You can get some long fries. You know what they say. Then you're just going to just get that all peeled off. Now, I'm gonna make two types of fries. I'm gonna make regular fries, then I'm also gonna make some Old Bay seasoning fries, which will be a really delicious way to kind of switch it up. So we're gonna take this. Now look, just take your potato, and what you wanna do is you wanna start by cutting it into these planks. This is the best method for cutting fries. You have your planks over here, and then you turn those planks into French fries just like that. It is super duper easy. Look at that. And then you're just gonna repeat that with the rest, and you're just making yourself some delicious, incredible French fries, all cut just like that. Wow, it smells good. Let's check on those. Oh boy, our potatoes are frying up. Look at that, getting nice and golden brown and cooked. Just give those a little bit of a stir to make sure that you have lots of good movement so all the different sides get heat on them. And then we're just gonna place that right back in the air fryer. Keep on cooking. My kitchen smells incredible. Oh boy, grab these out of here and look at that. Now what I recommend doing is I'm just gonna pour it right onto a lined baking sheet. That will just allow any of that excess oil to pass through. And meanwhile, just look at those beautiful fries. And I'm just gonna take some Old Bay seasoning. Let's get that seasoning all over them. Now it's important you wanna season your fries while they are hot out of the oil. That's gonna make sure that any little residual oil will help the seasoning stick. You don't want the seasoning to fall off. You want them to be nicely seasoned. You also add a little bit of salt. Then while we eat those, I'm going to just take my other French fries, place those into there, and I'm gonna cook those as well to make more fries for my guests who are coming later. Beautiful, look at that. Should I just give it a try? Ooh, it's kinda hot, but look at that, French fry. Grab a fry. Ooh, hot. Okay, look, really good. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. I'm telling you, make them. What I also recommend, of course, is dip in whatever sauce. This is some homemade barbecue sauce I made. Ernie, do you wish you could have a French fry? There's too much seasoning on these fries for you to eat, unfortunately, but I mean, it's delicious. Now, you can of course do a low fat mode where you put very little oil or almost no oil, but for me, I didn't want to make low fat. I just didn't want to have to clean up a ton of oil. So I don't care if they're covered in oil. I just don't want to clean up as much oil.